What's up, guys? So today I'm going to head over right now to work on the frame, start working on with Dusty, work on his truck, and so the video was supposed to go up yesterday. Sorry about that, some things came up, so we weren't able to head up there and work on the frame. So we are today instead. I've got some gas next to me to fill up the oxyacetylene torch. We have some oxygen now. We should be able to torch that Crossmember out and hopefully get everything, like, at least the crown Vic slid over. That's kind of just what I want to be able to see that. That will make me so happy just to see that. I do this next week, I believe on Monday, I will be going and getting some wheels so we can roll around the front end, make it a little bit easier to move around. I also bought some degreaser, so we should be able to power wash it, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. It's on the barn is on a very, like, the highest level of the property, and it's a super steep driveway, and the Crown Vic doesn't have any wheels on it, so I have no idea if we're not rolling it down that driveway. It will literally go off a cliff if we try that. So we might be able to get some sort of hose or something up to the barn where it is and see if we can power wash it that way. But yeah, we're just gonna take this day one step at a time and see how far we get, and hopefully, like I said, we can get that Crown Vic kind of slid over the frame. That would be super cool. So yeah, I'm gonna head up there now, meet up with Dusty, and we'll get started. Alright, so we got our front end outside. We're gonna clean it. Everything work. But yeah, we're gonna clean all the junk off of this thing and see how nasty it is. There we go. That better work. I used the whole can. Really? Yeah. I mean, it's covered. Alright, so our plasma cutter didn't work, so we're going to take the torch, send it up right now, and then I'm just going to go right in front of the frame rail here. I'm going to try not to hit the frame because I can just come back with a grinder and clean it up, and then just literally go right around this. I think I'll be able to keep this just for support, but we'll see. I'm literally just going to be cutting this pretty much straight. I've got my support bar in so nothing flexes, and then it should be pretty straightforward, so I'll cut this thing out. So the cut kind of sucks, but I mean it's straight enough to where I can grind it down or come back with a cutting torch again and smooth that out. And then I had to kind of open this section up so I can actually get the torch down and cut the intersection out because there's a little bit of an intersection in there that I had to cut, as you can see. But yeah, probably did everything the wrong way, but I don't care. It's gonna work in the end, so that's all that matters. So now I'm gonna cut the other section out. I'm gonna try to leave the power steering box place here, so I'm gonna come all the way down and then just come down this way. From what I've seen, most people just leave this in there as kind of like a boxed support. So I'm gonna do that, do the same thing. I'll literally go right around and cut down this way. So we'll get right to this side.
You can go upside down.
The inner one, yeah. Okay, I got a mess to clean up. I'm probably just gonna take the grinder. Actually, I thought I cut into the frame a lot, but really I didn't at all. I just got really messy with this thing. Over here it got really bad, but all this stuff will get cleaned up and smoothed out. I actually could have taken a lot more off of that, dang it. Probably do that, but not too bad. It's pretty good. I mean, it looks like crap, but it looks good. Sweet. You guys told me to use a flap disc, so we got one. Alright, so we didn't get quite as far as I wanted. Had to kind of cut the video off there. We kind of ended up wrapping up shop. I was kind of helping Dusty with a lot of his stuff on his truck, as well as doing mine. We did get the front end power wash and clean, so that looks new. And the look came out a lot better than I thought. Got the Crossmember cut out. Yeah, there was probably a bunch of ways that I could have done it better, but that's just what we had. It was quick, it was easy, and so I did it that way. And so now we're just pretty much going to cut and file down the leftover shavings or whatever. I got to clean all that up, and then we should be able to just slide the front end over. This week I'm going to go down to a junkyard and get some wheels for it so I can roll it around. And then we'll actually be able to slide the front end on and off, and I'm going to bring a core support and hang a fender so I can actually kind of see exactly where it's going to sit in the wheel so I know where I want it. And take a few measurements and kind of see where I want it to sit exactly, so we'll see. And yeah, so like the video if you did enjoy. Let me know what you do think down below in the comments. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Having fun? Alright, so here's the final product. Boom. Everything's a little bit dirty because I've been driving it, but in general, looks way better. So I rerouted the fuel line and the fuel pressure regulator. It was way down here, you couldn't really see much, but I put it right in this little groove here. It looks a lot cleaner, I think, and then later I'll fix this, whatever I got going on down here.